What it do, gang? Welcome back to another unboxing slash put together kind of video. But before we get too far into that, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Leave some comments, hit that like button, and of course share with a friend, some family, whatever makes sense to you to help boost this video. Now let's get into it. Alright, so I ordered this case for this carrying case for my Switch. I thought it would be useful. I ended up not liking it. I did not like it at all. But I used the screen protector anyway, which again, I also didn't like the screen protector. It was very flimsy, but at least it keeps my Switch from getting any scratches, so I'm grateful for that at least, and that part I kept. So like I said, I was not a fan of the case that came with it. I felt like it wasn't really going to protect anything, and the case itself was very flimsy. So I went on Amazon and I found something else that I felt like would do better. I absolutely love it. I feel like it's more my attitude. It would do a better job at protecting because the outside is hard cover, and then it has a strap inside that keeps the phone in rather than just those two little thin straps on the side. And then also it had a place for my games to be put as well. So I got that as a case, and then I got this cute little hard cover for my actual Switch to put on my Switch and keep the handles, the joysticks, and the outer shell from getting scratches or anything. And I thought that was super cute as well. And that's what I decided to put on my Switch. There was a matching case, carrying case to the hard shell that I got. The matching hard shell to the carrying case that I got, but I liked the game over hard shell better, so that's the one that I got. You should definitely check out Amazon for different options because they have a variety. They all look so awesome and very unique, and I just love them so much. So definitely a recommendation from me. So I didn't talk much about games in the last video, but these are the games that I currently have. Stardew Valley, Jenny LeClue, Kart Racers, Crunchyroll, What Comes After, Catherine Full Body, Mario Karts, with the cat version though. And I think that is it. If there's any game that you would like to see me play, definitely let me know in the comments section, and I will do my best to record it for you guys, record the game play for you guys. I'm still in the process of finishing Lost in Random, so sorry about the delay on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys next time when I post again. And till then, have a great night, great day, and be safe. Later.